through this.
You already are. You're already participating.
So. No. I feel.
Hey guys, ¿cómo estás?
I'm
Mira, you want these earrings? I'm not gonna wear them.
Oh my, no!
Everybody said I look very pretty with the earphones.
What did you think?
This black dress and this?
Oh, I haven't worn that dress in a long time.
I know. I wore it for the wedding.
Yeah, I wore that to Jackie's, like, 17th birthday.
Oh, good. Because I didn't have to buy a dress for one night. The wedding was awesome. So pretty.
Yeah?
It was really nice. They had a really nice place. And it was really nice.
No. People can't see.
People can't see what?